Hey, good morning, YouTube. Hope y'all are having a great day, a good start to the day. And I just wanted to show you guys what I got going on this morning. I'm putting on this top plate for these planters because you can see they're made of cinder block. So what I'm doing is, the contractor, I guess he took off for the job. Kind of did these people wrong, so what I have to do is I have to fill this up with concrete, and essentially these studs will go ahead and grab the concrete and fasten itself in there. And also this freaking butthole, you freaking put all this weight on this wall, so it has a slight lean to it, so I'm gonna have to compensate for that. Yeah, he didn't put any concrete, and you could see the whole yard kind of dropped at an angle just a touch. I don't know if you guys can see that, but definitely when you're putting something straight on there, you can see it. So I had to shave off some cinder block, just try to compensate for that little peak it had. All right, I also wanted to add, people always ask me what do I run. So for now, today, either I run this wire feed machine, little New Harbor Freight one. I think that costs around $200. And then they want to see the generator. So I have this old Briggs & Stratton 3500 watt generator. So what I do is I wired a RV plug to it. It's still 120 volts with a 10 gauge cable running a 12 gauge extension cord. And you know, I don't have any problem running this generator. It's 3 years, it's been doing everything I throw at it, and I haven't had a problem with it. It's nice and light, it doesn't take up too much room, so it does me pretty damn good. You know, people want to get these big generators and stuff like that. Yeah, that's fine when you're doing probably bigger stuff than I am doing, but this has worked for me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And then it still charges everything. I mean, I ran a jackhammer on this generator. It ran just fine. Run hammer drills, tools. It still starts on the first pull. It's a damn good unit. So if you're really looking to get into something small, like fence repair and stuff like that, I think this is the way to go. But that's what I wanted to add to my little video I did for today, because I always get those questions. All right, guys, y'all have a good one.